Hello and welcome to today's podcast. Across Europe, millions of people are facing one of the most intense heatwaves in recent years. From France and Germany to Italy and the Czech Republic, temperatures are reaching dangerous levels, putting pressure on hospitals, transportation systems, and public services. Authorities are issuing urgent warnings as heat-related illnesses rise and several countries prepare for temperatures approaching or even exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. In today's episode, we'll look at how the heat wave is affecting different parts of Europe, the challenges facing emergency services, and why climate experts say these events are becoming more common. Main story: the center of Europe's extreme heat is gradually moving eastward after several days of exceptionally high temperatures in Western Europe. France remains one of the countries most severely affected. Authorities have activated the country's highest health alert level to strengthen emergency response measures and protect vulnerable groups. Health officials report a noticeable increase in heat-related medical emergencies. Hospitals and ambulance services have experienced a surge in calls, particularly involving people suffering from cardiac complications and heat stress. Officials are emphasizing that the dangers are not limited to older adults. Younger people participating in outdoor activities during the hottest hours of the day are also at risk. In Paris, local authorities have encouraged residents to postpone strenuous exercise and avoid unnecessary outdoor activities during peak temperatures. The heat wave has also been linked to several tragic incidents, including deaths associated with prolonged exposure to extreme temperatures. Emergency teams across parts of France have been conducting welfare checks on vulnerable residents living alone. Meanwhile, temperatures in parts of Germany are expected to approach 40 degrees Celsius. Weather experts warn that the current heat event could become one of the most significant ever recorded in the country. Several regions are experiencing unusually warm nights, offering little relief after daytime temperatures. These so-called tropical nights can increase health risks because the human body struggles to recover from prolonged heat exposure. Germany's transportation sector is already feeling the impact. Some public events have been cancelled, and travel operators are offering flexibility to passengers concerned about traveling during extreme weather conditions. The Czech Republic is also preparing for worsening conditions. Meteorologists have issued severe weather alerts, warning that temperatures could continue climbing through the weekend. Neighboring countries including Austria, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and the Netherlands are facing similar challenges, with authorities urging residents to stay hydrated, avoid direct sunlight, and monitor vulnerable family members and neighbors. Southern Europe under pressure. Southern Europe continues to experience intense heat as well. Spain recently recorded some of its highest June temperatures in history. Although slightly cooler Atlantic air is expected to bring relief in some areas, the impact of the heat remains significant. Health monitoring systems in Spain have reported hundreds of deaths that may be associated with the recent temperature spike. Italy is also struggling with extreme conditions. Popular tourist destinations are adapting to protect visitors and staff as temperatures continue to rise. Experts warn that the hottest days may still be ahead for some parts of the country, with forecasts suggesting temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius in several northern regions. Even nighttime temperatures are expected to remain unusually high, making recovery more difficult for residents. Climate change and the bigger picture. Scientists and climate specialists say Europe is warming faster than many other parts of the world. According to climate researchers, rising global temperatures are increasing the frequency, duration, and intensity of heatwaves across the continent. The effects extend beyond public health. Extreme heat places pressure on water resources, agriculture, energy systems, and transportation networks. In some areas, electricity demand rises sharply as air conditioning use increases. At the same time, drought conditions raise concerns about wildfires and environmental damage. Climate experts argue that long-term solutions require stronger investment in renewable energy, improved urban planning, and measures that help communities adapt to increasingly extreme weather. Conclusion: as Europe faces another period of record-breaking temperatures, authorities continue urging people to take precautions. Staying hydrated, limiting outdoor activities during the hottest hours, checking on vulnerable individuals, and following local weather advisories can help reduce risks during extreme heat events.